All right, so I think I'm recording. They're wanting us to simplify um, this multiplication. We've got three factors. Now remember, with multiplication, we can multiply in any order that we want. So what I'm going to do here is multiply my binomials together and then take the 6i and distribute it through my answer. So when I'm multiplying binomials, I create a table. You guys tell me that you like the tic-tac-toe board and that you just shade in that upper left corner. So 4 plus 3i, we just put 4 and 3i along the side, and negative 2 and 8i across the top. And the table just simply is an organized way to apply the distributive property. We get negative 8, 32i, minus 6i, and 8 times 3 is 24, but we have I times I, which is I squared. And we do have to remember that I squared is negative 1. So what I squared does is it changes the sign if you're multiplying it, to where now along our diagonals we can treat these as like terms. And so what we have is negative 32, and then along the other diagonal, um, plus 26i if I haven't made a silly error. Now, I almost forgot that that's not my final answer. I got to pay attention to what I'm doing here. That this was just remember, I still have to multiply this by 6i. So now I apply the distributive property that multiplication distributes over the addition. And here, let's shrink this up so I have a little bit more room to write. So the positive times the negative is going to be negative, and 32 times 6 is 192. So I get negative 192i, and then when I distribute this to the second term, 26 times 6 is 156, but that's 156 times I squared, and since I squared is negative 1, it's going to change that sign. And we have negative 192i minus 156, and we typically want to write it in standard form of a plus bi. Now we're a little bit relaxed on the addition, so really we're treating our standard form as a plus or minus bi. So this negative 156, and see here it says addition, but we're subtracting, and that's okay. We don't get that technical. We could write this as plus a negative 192, but you don't need to do that. So this is our final answer if I haven't made any silly mistakes, and I hope that helps, and I will talk to you later. Bye.